Hey guys, welcome to the Element Pack Pro widget tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to get started with Element Pack's ready template library within 3 minutes. Let's start. First of all, you can enable the Editor Template Library feature to use it more efficiently. From your WordPress dashboard, you can access the Element Pack Pro plugin dashboard and enable the widgets and extensions from the specific tabs there. For maximum flexibility, you can choose to activate all the widgets and extensions at the same time. No worries about the site performance, Element Pack got that. And save changes. Alternatively, you can just enable the widget or extension that you want to copy from the demo. The Editor Template Library feature you can find within the Other Settings tab. You can turn it on, as well as the Live Copy-Paste feature and save settings. After that, you can ensure that the container is enabled for the Elementor site builder. To check that, you can navigate the Settings tab under the Elementor dashboard and scroll into the Features tab. If the container is not active, you can activate it and save changes. You can open any page with Elementor Editor to begin now. Once inside the page editor, you will find a tiny Element Pack icon within the Container Builder box. You can click on the icon to access the template library instantly, inside a pop-up window within the editor. From here, you can browse the ready templates and choose your preferred designs. Hovering over the templates reveals the Insert button, which is a one-click template import feature. Just click Insert and see your template imported on your page. All the sections on the imported template are customizable and ready for further personalization. You are free to import any number of templates, headers, footers, or section blocks from the template library. If you want to import certain parts of a page template instead of the whole page, you can click on the template, navigate inside, and use the Live Copy-Paste feature to import the selected sections. After clicking the Live Copy button, you may close the pop-up, right-click on the Container Builder box, choose Paste from the Other Site option, and then follow the on-screen keyboard hotkeys to paste the copied design instantly. You can repeat the process as long as you want, bringing more designs to your page. Remember that don't paste in a new container or section, paste only inside the editor box. Once you are done, you can hit Publish and get a full experience of the page you have just created with our template library. That's all for now. I hope this video helped. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for updates on new tutorials and tips. Until then, stay safe, and see you next time.